Hi, I'm Dr. Fistula, general laparoscopic laser surgeon. It was really wonderful experience of mine coming to Bangalore for my laser lipo training. The teacher was very simple and crisp with his explanations. It was quite informative as well. I think lasers would do wonders until unless the tool is being used in a better way. This is what my comment is. I think all the best to the team. Last but not the least, I would thank Oreol Academy and the group, admin group, Praveen and Nidima. They have taken care of the best of the session. Thank you. God bless you all.